Hi guys, it's me Ubprogrammer, and today we will discuss about block versus inline elements. First of all, you can subscribe to the channel, and if you are working on any custom project, you can let me know on the WhatsApp or mail so that we can discuss about it if you want any help, and you can fill out this form also. Okay, let's get started with the block versus inline elements. So previously we have discussed about tags, how we can use them in the HTML, and now we will see types of tags or the elements, right? So we use in the HTML. First of all, there is block level elements, which means that whenever they have been placed in the HTML code, it will take all the width of the web page. Let me show you through an example. I will create a file here, html3.html, and all the source code is already present in the description. I'll use emit, we have discussed about it, and I will say HTML third tutorial, okay, in the title. Now I'll create a block level element as heading, and I'll just write my name, okay. And you can see H tag is a block element, or we can use P also, right? So all of these tags can be used for this example. Now we will start our server to see the results, and here it is. Let's inspect this, and in the body we have this H. So whenever I hover on this element, you can see the blue line is passing all the way around total width of the web page. So that means it's a block level element, so no other tag can be placed around here in this area, right? Okay, now let me create an inline element. So we will just use span here. I will create a span tag, and I am inline, right? And here I can just replace it, I am block. Let's see the difference now. Okay, so I am block is taking all the width, and I am inline, you can see it's taking only the width of the content, right? So it's no longer taking all the way around the web page, right? So that's the difference between them. Now let's make our understanding more better by combining these elements. Button is an element in the HTML which is inline, okay? So this here button, I'll just use that to understand the working of these two types of elements. I'll create a button, and I'll just say click me, okay. Now let's use this button here. I am block, yeah. So you can see, you can within block element you can use this click me, and it will be placed right on the side of that element, right? But if we use another block element with a block element, let's say I use P here, now we will see the difference. You can see it's now coming on the next line. So I hope it makes sense. Button is placed here and it is an inline tag, so it will arrange itself according to that line. Okay, so that's the difference between it, and I hope you can just take around all these elements, and these are like simple elements you can use. Image tag, the table, and all of these. We'll talk about them in the later videos, but that's the main difference I wanted to express in this video. I hope you like this video, and I'll meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching.